How to download maps on Sygic. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can download maps on Sygic. This is because once you have downloaded the Sygic application, you have to download the map of your area so that you can easily navigate through. So how do you download this app? It is very simple. Well, once you're logged in on your account, move to the top right corner where you can see 3 horizontal lines and then click on it. Once you click on it, a list of options will be displayed. Among these options, you'll see vehicle profile, offline maps. So ensure you select offline maps. And here you can see the map that I've downloaded already. Now for you to download more apps, just click on the add offline maps option at the bottom part of the screen, and then you will be taken to the next stage where you can now go ahead to search out countries whose applications, whose maps you can download them, and you can now navigate through that particular country. So you can see on my screen, you can see the list of countries that has been displayed. You can see Afghanistan, Alabama, Alaska. So you can just go ahead to download the one that you want to navigate through. So for example, I would like to download the Afghanistan's on. So I'm just going to proceed now, and once it's done downloaded, I can now check through the map of Afghanistan. So this is how it works. Okay, thank you for watching and have a good day.